What's up guys, and welcome back to Have Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm going to show you an amazing tweak that you must download. This tweak will allow you to take control of your ringer switch. It is a tweak that allows you to do many different things with your ringer switch. This tweak effectively lets users customize what happens when you interact with your iPhone's ring silent switch in different ways and adding new features. The main function of this ringer switch is to silence the phone, but with this tweak you can change it to do another thing like turning on the flashlight, and as you see the ringer switch now has another job rather than silence the phone. You can change it to do another things like enable or disable orientation lock, use airplane mode, enable or disable Wi-Fi, and more. If you are interested in more ways to take advantage of your iPhone's ring or silent switch, then this tweak is very likely to captivate your interest. This tweak comes with a number of customization options, and now I'm going to show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Sileo, whatever you are using. I will open Sileo, go to the sources here, and make sure to add this repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for Ding, and as you see, this is the tweak. Ding tweak, as I said, designed to bypass the standard function of iOS ringer switch and take control of your ringer switch. Ding effectively lets you customize what happens when you interact with your iPhone's ring and silent switch in different ways and adding new features. Among some of the supported features in Ding are forcing mute or unmuted status, ignoring the physical ring silent switch status, performing a specific action upon ringer press, and more. Ding supports every device with a ringer switch on iOS 13 and up, Rootful and Rootless jailbreaks. It's a good tweak to bring life again to ring switch. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here, now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. The first thing you are gonna do here is, of course, enable the tweak from here. Okay, so this is the tweak. It has some options to customize. I'm gonna quickly explain all these options. So the first option here is to enable forcing muted or unmuted status. You can ignoring the physical ring silent switch status. If you choose muted, your device will always be muted. If you choose unmuted, this will always make your device unmuted. In my case, I prefer to use no forcing. Here below you can enable always unmute ringtone. This will unmute the ringer for ringtones only. Here you can enable mute position for action. It will choose ring switch position for specific actions. Here you can enable or disable haptic feedback. And finally, in switch actions, here you can select what actions occur upon toggling the ring switch. So here I'm using flashlight. Once I enable ring switch, it will turn on the flashlight as you see. And if you disable ring switch, it will turn off the flashlight. You can choose another actions like enable orientation lock, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, low power mode, do not disturb, cellular data, and dark mode. Okay, I will try dark mode, and as you can see, the function of ring switch is now enabling dark mode. This is pretty cool. I will try Wi-Fi, so I will enable ring switch, and as you see, my device is now using 4G, and now it should switch to Wi-Fi, and boom, that's it. And if I disable ring switch, it will turn off Wi-Fi. That's it. Okay, I prefer to use it for flashlight, so I will choose it. And this is all the tweak feature is. After making any changes, make sure to hit Respring button to save and apply the changes. So this is the tweak. Ding tweak is a powerful tweak that gives users a new way to interact with ring switch. Ding features are exclusively designed to work on any device running iOS 13 and up, offering a seamless and improved user experience. It's worth noting that Ding only supports iPhones due to requiring a ring silent switch and haptic feedback capabilities, and that jailbroken iOS 13, 14, 15, and 16 devices using Rootful or Rootless dynamics are supported. Ding is also open source on the developer's GitHub page for anyone interested in seeing what makes the tweak tick. The tweak makes it super easy and useful to change the default function of the ring switch and change it to another useful action. The tweak does this in a more intuitive way than Apple permits out of the box. It's a lifesaver tweak and it's a beautiful tweak that I recommend you to give it a try. The repo is in the description below this video. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.